black market.
All right, so you heard it's nutritious, it's easy to make, and it's a favorite for many Jamaicans to have for breakfast. Some have it other times also. So we'll be showing off her frying skills. But first, here are some benefits of plantains. What does something say?
All right, benefits of plantain, nutritious, rich sources of complex carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals, and are easily digestible. As a staple food, plantains have been the main fare of millions of people for centuries. Did you know that? Mm-hmm. There we go. Digestive health and weight management. Fiber is important because it promotes bowel regularity. You're hot? The stove is on.
Cool.
Here, read these for the people, and then let me see what I can fry up. But see, I don't like to fry regularly. Anyway, are you
It says fiber is important because it promotes bowel regularity. Fiber softens your stool and increases its overall size and weight. Oh. I don't know why I'm telling you that so early in the morning. You're having breakfast.
So there are many ways to eat plantain, and people across the world have many styles. We are used to like green plantain press and ripe plantain, boil it, fry it. Yeah. But there are other ways to eat it.
I don't reach versatile yet, you know. Okay, you talk about weight management. Mm-hmm. Did you speak about that?
No, go ahead.
So carbohydrates aren't necessarily a bad thing for weight management, folks, Dooley. Like most people believe, the fiber and starch found in plantains are complex carbs, they say. What else I need to tell you? It's high in antioxidants. What are you doing?
I'm heating
Remember
the oil.
while I'm working, you're supposed to tell me what
I'm
you're doing.
heating the oil.
Okay. How long this will take? This is only 6
Well,
minutes.
this is the thing. This is my thing, right?
Yeah, what is yours?
So there are many ways to do it. I know the producer wanted us to do some pressed plantain. I mean, we don't have long. But also people, sometimes with the children, let me show you something. If your children like fries, let me show you what you do. This is what we do when we pick our banana. You just make plantain fries for the kids.
Okay.
All right, I'm just giving you a couple recipes. We're gonna do a couple things with it, but the oil is not hot enough. So just listen to me. Oh. So you slice it up and you just make some nice plantain fries for the children.
What is me making fun of this morning?
Instead of going to the fast food places.
So am I children?
I'm a children. Are you a child? Yes. No.
I'm not.
But do you like fries?
Not
Would you
fries.
like plantain fries?
I would like plantain fries.
Okay, all right. And we're going to try pressed plantain as well.
No.
Did
I tell you that it's high in antioxidants? So it contains a good amount of your daily recommended amount of vitamin C in a single cup. I didn't know that. It's good for your heart, by the way. Oh, over here.
Yes.
The amount of potassium found in plantains. You need me, Virgin?
I'm just... I'm going to see how much, what I can do. Oh, you want pressed plantain too?
No, I'm saying in case you want pressed. Why I'm bringing the bottle?
Okay, if you want pressed plantain,
I never said I want pressed plantain.
I'm going to try and give you as much variety of plantain today. I'm going to give you pressed plantain. I'm going to give you plantain fries. No, I'm giving you plantain fries. And then how do you like your ripe plantain?
Well done.
Well done. You want it fried too?
Yeah.
How about, what can I give you? I could have given you some stewed plantain. But I don't have any seasoning. All right, so.
Use this one. This one don't cut already. All right, you don't cut that already.
What would you like? You want ripe as well?
I want you to surprise me.
Okay, I'm going to give you.
Honey.
I'm going to give you. All right, I'm just going to fry up some.
Why you can't just do it and then just give it to me?
I'm going to do it like this for you. All right?
Yeah.
That's okay?
Anything you're doing, I told you.
Okay.
I trust you, you know.
Yeah. You like ripe plantain?
Hold on.
This is our breakfast, by the way. We're having ripe plantain, fried plantain, green pressed fries, plantain fries, all that.
How long is it going on? We only have just little.
I don't know, but
I want to let big and thick do, man.
Yeah, I'm going to try and see if I can press it. Another way to press it is to keep the, I can try and press it in here too, you know, you can just, the skin. Okay, keep talking about the benefits.
Oh. It's versatile, it's like a potato. You might commonly come across plantains fried and soaked in grease as a side dish in a restaurant.
Woo,
maybe even topped with sour cream.
My outfit.
You mess up yourself?
Yeah, where's my apron?
I don't know where I put it on. You want it?
No, that's all right.
You sure?
Yeah, I'll just wash my clothes after.
You don't usually do that?
I don't normally wear an apron at home. Well, sometimes.
No, you don't usually wash your clothes?
Yeah, I do.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to just pick it up. I'm trying to make sure you have breakfast this morning. Relax.
And you don't need my help?
Come,
Where
press
are we?
this, press up this now. It's hot though. Ooh.
And just go so.
Yeah. Press it in it. Mash it down.
You know that me I do.
Please don't break the glass, Lord have mercy. The stove is hot.
That must press so wonderful.
Press it up.
It's very thick, man. Huh?
And this
Tough.
fire kind of hot now.
Press here, man.
It's not
Yeah,
press
me
it?
like how that start to look.
Yeah.
That's where I deal with.
Come. All right, press.
Well,
Oh gosh, pass your plate.
you done already?
I'm giving it these.
It look like it's so well done still earlier.
And not everything for cook up long and take out all
you
the
asked me
nutrients.
how I want it and I told you.
Come on, man. You said well done, but if these plantain fries, I'm not gonna burn them.
So it's not me, I make it for them.
Yes, you. But you don't know anything about plantain fries. It's the first time you're having it. Come, put a little bit of salt. Sprinkle a little salt in it. I want.
And I know eat salt, you know.
All right.
And I don't add salt to anything in life. What that? Let me not press it already.
No, it's not a lot. That's what it's plantain.
Thank you very
It's
much.
tough like a. Oh God, it break up. I can't press it. I saw the people that make press plantain. Well, that's been a while. Oh, what? We never wait. It should have fried some more, but I'm trying to do it in a quick. So instead, this is what you do. You see, when the meal mash up and it not press, you turn it into something else. You understand? So when you press plantain now work, you turn it in the next dish.
So that is plantain, plantain pudding?
Wait, no. Where's the people that come soon for dinner? May I tell them, say, yo, this is name plantain no.
Plantain pudding?
Plantain no. It's
Plantain
called
what?
plantain bits. Plantain bits. All right, come. I want you, don't eat it all because I want the people to see it. But you have to taste it. How are the fries?
Beautiful.
You like it?
I love it.
Oh, good. All right, it's a little bit oily. I don't like to. Come here. All right, this is called, wait. Now, if I had some seasoning, I would have turned this. When my husband makes up them
What are you
African
doing? What is
plantain
that?
meals. This is called plantain bits, African style, man.
Is you cook at home?
Ndizi.
Is you cook at home?
Yeah, and the husband.
And everybody, all right, every day same.
Yeah, my son says, Mommy, you're the best cook ever.
Anybody else ever cook for him?
Excuse me?
Anybody else ever cook for him?
Did somebody say really?
Anybody else ever cook for him?
Yes. My husband is a very good chef. But listen, there are many dishes across the world where you use plantain. But look what I did, all right? I didn't have enough time to press the plantain. The people are coming for dinner. What did I do? I turned it into a plantain stew. If you cook it up, and if I mix green banana, look at this level, green banana and ripe banana, stew it up together. This is what you call a nice
plantain stew.
Is it ndizi? An ndizi dish, which would be a
plantain stew.
A plantain banana
stew
dish. Yeah. Somebody call my husband to ask him what else I'm supposed to do, please, because I hear make them extra unique African dish. But I'm getting there now.
All right, breakfast.
Wait. This is what you would do. Let me show you. I wish I had some seasoning like from my yard right now. You eat? I wanted the plantain fry too. Why did you? Plantain fries and a plantain stew. Add some onion. Add some tomato with this.
And you call that dish what?
So this is called green and ripe banana. And can you imagine? Season this up with a little bit of rice. Nice. Let me tell you now. You only know one style. There are millions of ways to cook up your plantain, and it has many health benefits. So plantain stew for you, Baba.
It look like it's safe to try at home.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
This one's safe. The man name of all of my plantain fries.
We are going to salt.
I'm putting a little salt.
Anyway.
Wait, no man, I want you to try the mix of a green and ripe banana
I am going to. Where the green banana come from?
Because I put the green banana.
Where?
That's what we were trying to press.
No, but where is the green banana?
Huh? The green banana was cut already here. This is the green one.
That is a green banana?
Yeah, it was pre-prepared. You've never seen, oh my God. What? I mean.
That is green banana?
I mean plantain.
No, I said, maybe me get sick. I wonder if something to me come. I said, this is green banana.
Green banana there from my mind.
This is because I know you're a farmer. I never want to argue with you because maybe it's a green banana that I've never seen.
I meant green plantain.
Okay, all right.
All right, come now, ready?
But it never look green either, to be honest.
It's green, man. That's what.
This is the stew now.
This is
the stew.
Yeah, yeah.
The pea-sized stew. You know what it tastes like?
What?
Plantain.
No, man. But when you mix the two and eat it
So what
together.
it's supposed to taste like? No plantain.
Taste it, no? And I did. If I had some tomato and some things in it, what? And I strew up this also curry plantain. Oh, bun the curry and drop the green plantain and the.
Mamacita, turn off.
Yeah, off. Okay.
We're good
All
now?
right, let's see. We don't even have no. Where are my forks? All right. Well, you know what? We don't need forks. You know why? We eat with our hands in Africa. Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Well, folks, well, look. Well.
Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm.
Mmm.
When we return, we'll be talking about the National Youth Parliament of Jamaica Mentorship Program. Soon come. We're going to eat some green banana and plantain.
Mm.